I'm Dan Savage, CEO of Machine Trader, and I want to welcome you to this series of videos on advanced algorithmic trading with Machine Trader. We're going to show you how to build a variety of technical indicators such as relative strength index, exponential moving average, z-scores. These have been used for decades, really, by day traders as they look at their computer screens, attempt to find the optimal entrance and exit prices as they're following a time series on the screen. Of course, you can do this algorithmically, a lot faster and automatically, and free yourself from being glued to your screen. But in order to do this, you're going to need to have a cloud server. Machine Trader is offering a low cost, no code server, which you can sign up for at Machine Trader backslash pricing. It's free for 30 days, and then it's $24.95 a month after that. It should give you plenty of time to play around with it, decide if it's for you. We do need to get a credit card from you so that we can distinguish you from a bot. So go to Machine Trader slash pricing, sign up for your Machine Trader account, and then you'll be able to build the trading algorithm shown in these training videos. So welcome, and let us know if you have any questions.